Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the bad image error code 0xC0000012F that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And the error message shows DLL is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. Try installing the program again using the original installation widget or contact your system administrator or the software vendor for support. Error status 0xC0000012F. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings, under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooter, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update, and then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin to. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo na i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, sinik mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na dsem /online /cleanup-image /restore health. And that, copy lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then click mo lang dito yung paste. Or pwede mo gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then click mo lang yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung deployment image servicing and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay i-type mo lang yung smcc/scan now. So in all small letter lahat, din yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So, kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang tong restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix bad image with error code status 0xC0000012F in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.